You want to add Bluetooth to your car, to an old speaker or to your TV, you are at the right place. Welcome to Precision Reviews, where we do unboxings, tests, news and reviews. Spoiler alert, this video is not a sponsoring video. I did buy this product, this is my personal and objective opinion about it. Here we are going to talk about a Bluetooth key, so you can add Bluetooth to a product that doesn't have it. First, I will do the unboxing of the USB key, and second, I will test it with an old speaker that doesn't have Bluetooth. This is the Ugreen CM309, and we have even the Bluetooth name given to the key. This is super handy. This key is USB 2.0, is relatively sufficient for all devices, and also Bluetooth 5.0 is quite useful for recent products. The product have also an operating distance of 10 meters. I tested it and it's fully functional. When you open the box, you have the Bluetooth receiver with a no-node cable. You can find the USB key with the Ugreen logo, very nice finishing in aluminum. Really nice finish. I love it. And then you will find the 3.5mm jack with an aluminum finish also. Connection is very simple. You connect the USB key to the USB port of the device, and then you connect the 3.5mm jack to the jack port of the device. That's it. Let's talk about the Bluetooth setup now. You just have to search for the device, click on it, hear a little voice, and voila. And then you have to activate the auxiliary input in your device. Sometimes it's a button, sometimes it's a switch, sometimes you have nothing. In my case, it's a button. And voila, you can hear the music coming from my phone to my speaker. And the magic happened. I'm using Spotify on my Pixel 5 and everything is working flawlessly. Level Up the volume is working instantly. Same for volume down. I can do a fast forward with any problem. Go to the next track with no issues. To conclude, this device only costs 20 euros, it's Bluetooth 5.0 and compatible with every audio devices that comes with a 3.5 audio jack. The cherry on the cake here is that this USB key is self-powered. It uses the power of your device to work. It doesn't need any USB wall plug that we can see a lot nowadays. Or even a battery. No! That's great. The fact that it's self-powered, it is one of the biggest advantages of this product, with the audio quality also. Thanks a lot for watching. Please use the link in the description if you are interested by this product. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace!